Curly Sue, and if this is the first time you're coming to my channel, welcome to Curly Sue's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making raw strawberry cheesecake. Now this is really good if you can't bother to bake anything, if you're not good at baking, the oven's not working, you just fancy trying something that you don't have to bake. This is perfect for you. It's really delicious. It's actually healthy as well. It doesn't have any processed sugar. Well, it does have a little bit, but not too much. But it still tastes good. Yeah. So while you're here, please hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll see more videos just like this one. So we're going to get on now and make the raw strawberry cheesecake. 1 1/4 cup of shredded coconut or desiccated coconut, 8 to 10 medjool dates, 5 to 6 strawberries blended with a little bit of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, a pinch of salt. For the filling, you're going to need 2 cups of cashews soaked, 1 1/4 cup of coconut cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Line an 8" by 8" pan with parchment paper. Place all of the crust ingredients into a food processor. So the almond meal, the dates, make sure you take out the seeds out of the dates, the coconut, the maple syrup, and the pinch of salt. And then you blend that until it's crumbly and looks a bit like a dough. So it's now formed like a dough. So now we're going to press this evenly into the pan and then place it into the freezer for about an hour or 2. So the best way to do this is using the heel part of your hand and just push it down. You want it nice and flat and to go all the way across the pan. So it's perfectly fine, just make sure your hands are nice and clean, and it's your perfect tool for this job. Quite therapeutic actually, it's all soft and squishy. There you go, and then once that's done, then you can take a spatula to press down the corners so it's nice and flat and even all the way around. Because we don't want it to just taste pretty, we want it to look pretty as well. So taste pretty and look pretty. sure it's neat around the edges, and then it's ready for the freezer.
Two hours later.
Once the base has been in the freezer for 2 hours, take it out, blend all of the filling ingredients together, and then pour it on top of the base. Right, spread it out so it reaches into all of the corners. There's some more mixture left, so we're just going to add all of what we have so we don't waste anything. We're going to add some slices of strawberries to give it a bit of colour. They don't have to be uniform, you can just put them wherever you like. So just keep going until you feel it's where you need it to be. I'm going to add one more strawberry. I'm going to add one more strawberry. Just filling up the gaps. Yeah. And now we will put it into the freezer and chill it overnight. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click and subscribe. Hit the red button and switch on the notification bell so you will be alerted every time I post a video every Wednesday at 7:30 p.m. UK time. And also comment in the comment section below, what did you like about this video, and if there's any other recipes you'd like me to make, comment in the comment section below and I'll add it to my list of recipes that I'm making, because I'm making tons of recipes, so it's quite a lot keeping up with you guys providing a recipe every week, but I thoroughly enjoy it. So I would like to hear more from you of what you would like me to make. Maybe more desserts, maybe more savory, who knows? Tell me, comment in the comment section below and let me know. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well, because you can get to see a bit more behind the scenes info of what I'm doing here on my YouTube channel. And all there is to do now is say, eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye. Hi, I'm Curly Sue, and if this is the first time you're coming to my channel, welcome to Curly Sue's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making for you raw strawberry cheesecake.